Compton, California, home of the South Los Angeles County. While they are known to have the best musicians in rap music, they are also known for its gang affiliations and drug dealing. For some of the residents there, that is a place where they call home. But for others, they feel it is very unsafe and a dangerous community and are hoping to leave the city. Fun fact about Compton is that it is one of the oldest cities in the United States, and on May 11, 1888, it was the 8th city in California to incorporate. The median income for a local resident there is $41,230, and it has a staggering population of 96,617. The population has risen higher since the early 1990s, and it has the potential to hit 100,000 residents in the near future. In the late 1960s, Compton had a community arts academy, and it was developed in the Los Angeles cities and other cities in the United States. Rappers from Compton. In the rap industry, most of the very well-known rappers are born and raised in Compton. Most of the artists have made this city to be known around the world, and they have influenced over millions of people till this day. Also, the artists have embraced and kept their loyalty to Compton by making music and referencing the city in their songs. Also, artists like Dr. Dre and Kendrick Lamar have donated money to Centennial High School, which was the high school that both of them went to when they were in school. One of the main reasons why I chose to write about the city of Compton was because the artists have influenced me in a lot of ways. Compton has a lot of historical landmarks to its name as well. For example, the Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial. This was built in Compton to remember the sacrifices he made for African Americans in his time. Also, the Woodlawn Cemetery. This landmark is a Los Angeles County landmark since 1946 and was established in 1869. It honors 18 Civil War veterans who were buried there, and finally the Heritage House. This house was built in 1869, and it is the oldest house in Compton. It was restored as a tribute to its early settlers as well. For more information, visit http://www.comptoncity.org or read the West Side chapter in Lower Palitos of People's Guide to Los Angeles, and it will teach you a better understanding for what you would like to learn about the city of Compton. Thank you so much, and have a great day.